Number theory, divisibility. Imagine a class that has 25 students. The teacher wants to divide her class into groups without leaving a student behind. Is it possible? Yes. If we divide the 25 students into groups of 5, then we'll have everyone be part in a group. This is possible because 25 is divisible by 5. Once again, math has shown its significance in our daily lives.
Divisibility is a number theory about the capacity of a number to be divided, like 9 is divisible by 3 or 12 is divisible by 4.
Have you ever wondered why some numbers will divide evenly without a remainder while others will not? Well, by knowing the rules of divisibility, we can check if a number will divide into another number without having to perform the actual division. After all, there's a divisibility rule for every number. However, some of the rules are easier to use than others. For the rest, it might just be simpler to divide. Let's look at these basic divisibility rules. In divisibility, some patterns depend on the ones digit of the number, like how an even number will always be divisible by 2. Example: 456,791,824. We can tell if 2 divides into this number without a remainder by just looking at the last digit. For this example, the last digit is 4. This means that the number is even and 2 will divide into it without a remainder. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. Another is how a number ending with a 5 or 0 can be divided by 5. Example: 34,780. For this rule, we just look at the last digit. The last digit is a 0, so this number is divisible by 5. Another example: 13,569. Again, we will focus our attention on the last digit. The last digit is a 9, so this number is not divisible by 5. Not only that, those numbers ending with 0 can even be divided by 10. Example: 23,890. Take a look at the last digit. The last digit is a 0, so this number is even and divisible by 5. That means that is also divisible by 10. Another example: 85,395. Take a look at the last digit. The last digit is a 5, so this number is odd and divisible by 5. Because the number is not even, it is not divisible by 10. It has to end in 0 to be divisible by 10. Now, let's practice a bit with real-world problems. Glenna's little brother is playing with stones. He wants to put all 12 of his stones into stacks with the same number of blocks in each stack. How many stacks could Glenna's brother make? 12 is an even number. Make it divisible by 2. Therefore, Glenna's brother can make 2 stacks. Anne wants to distribute 123 seedlings into 3 patches of land. She wants to know if she can put the same number of plants in each patch of land without any seedlings left over. Can she distribute the seedlings and plant the same number of plants in each patch of the land? 123 is an odd number, making it divisible by 3. Therefore, Anne can equally plant the seedlings in the 3 patches of land. So let's review. We learned that divisibility is a number theory about the capacity of a number to be divided. We also learned the basic divisibility rules, like how an even number will always be divisible by 2, or a number ending in 5 or 0 can be divided by 5 or by 10. However, there are still more rules to learn, which we'll talk about in our next episode. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching!